Go to Uploads. And add the photo you want to use. Go to Apps. And search for the Image Splitter app. Select the number of rows and columns you want to use. I add a solid white border with a size of 5, but you don't have to add a border. Split the image. You can add grid spacing, but I'm not doing that. Add grid to design. Resize the grid. Select the grid. And ungroup it. Select one tile. And go to Edit. Go to Filters. And select the Classic Mono filter. Select Copy Style, and apply the style to another tile. Repeat this until you're happy with the effect. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Canva tutorials.